was an awestruck performance.
Okay, English was given equal importance in our school campus.
Yes, conversing in English during our school days made us confident today.
I still remember the loud reading and phonetic classes, lovely days.
Yes, and also don't forget about the English plays and mimes that we did.
So the Akshins are here to perform a skit. Welcome Akshins.
We get from someone or something, which gives us new and creative ideas. One of such inspirational personalities' birthday is known as National Youth Day. Solena, do you know who's that?
No, Bhavya, I don't know. Can you tell me who's that?
He's none other than Swami Vivekananda.
Fine. Now, let's see our act on few inspirational personalities.
Sure. Scene 1. Before attending the interview, Jessie meets her friend.
Hi Jessie, where are you going?
Hi, I'm going to Vivekananda Ashram before attending an interview.
What is special about that place?
Oh, you don't know about that ashram? A famous spiritual personality lived in that ashram and gave many values which inspired everyone. Now, let's see a real life incident about him.
Swami Vivekananda was studying law at University Law College, London. A professor named Peter, who did not like Swamiji, intentionally asked questions to hurt him. Vivekananda and his professor discussing in the garden.
Mr. Vivekananda, if you were walking down the street and found a package, and within the package was a bag of wisdom and a bag of money, which one would you take?
The one with the money, of course.
If I were you, I would have taken the bag of wisdom.
Each one takes what he doesn't have.
Swami Vivekananda played significant role in the growing Indian nationalism of the 19th and 20th century.
Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached.
Thus, Vivekananda shows his true wisdom hypothetically to the professor.
Scene 2. Candidates are waiting for the interview. Candidate 1 enters.
Good morning, please take your seat.
May I get it, ma'am?
What is your name?
I am rich.
We don't ask about your status.
What status you are talking about? Like Facebook or WhatsApp? I have not updated my status recently.
We asked what your name is.
Oh, my name is Rich.
Let me ask you some opposites. What is the opposite of long?
Jump.
What? Opposite of long is not jump. It's short, okay? What is the opposite of hot?
Cold.
Keep it up.
Put it down.
I said stop.
I said start.
Stop!
Start.
Oh no, look at the way she answers. So ridiculous.
Who is the first Indian appointed as the CEO of Google?
Sorry, sir. I don't know.
What? Being an Indian? How come you don't know about Sundar Pichai? Pichai Sundar Rajan, popularly known as Sundar Pichai, was born in a middle-class Tamil family. It is only because of his hard work and perseverance he became the Chief Executive Officer of Google. Now, let's see how Sundar Pichai introduced himself bravely. President Donald Trump signed the modified H-1B visa process, which had several restrictions on Indians working in IT industries in the US. Indians were worried of losing their jobs. Almost every company decided to abide the policy. But there was one person who was ready to accept any candidate from any country. Everyone was amazed to find it was Sundar Pichai from Madurai in Tamil Nadu, India. Don't worry guys, Google will provide jobs for all suitable Indian candidates. We should be proud to be an Indian. Talents require only exposure and not money. With ordinary talents and extraordinary perseverance, anything is attainable. Please wait outside. We'll call you later.
Thank you, ma'am.
Board of Directors calls the next candidate. Candidate 2 enters. Candidate 3 overhears the interview.
May I come in?
Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please take your seat. What is your name?
My name is Mark, sir, and here are my certificates.
Your certificates are fine. Let's ask some questions to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is the first president of USA?
George Washington.
Very good.
Who is the father of our nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes.
When did India get freedom?
1947.
How are you so intelligent?
It's my secret.
What is the formula of oxygen?
O2.
Who is the our ancestors?
Monkey.
Who is your inspiration?
Kiran Bedi.
Do you know about Kiran Bedi?
Yes. Kiran Bedi is a retired Indian police service officer, social activist, former tennis player and politician who is the current Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. She is the first woman to join the Indian police service. Let's see a scenario happened in Kiran Bedi's life.
Kiran Bedi, who was about to get the opportunity to represent India in Wimbledon, was waiting in a lobby to get a train pass from the secretary, who is so lethargic, make the applicant wait for the entire day, which made Kiran Bedi angry.
Sir, I have been waiting for a long time. Can't you sign in this? I wasted my entire day in waiting.
How dare you talk like this? Get out.
Kiran Bedi leaves. This irritated the secretary and he decided not to give chance to Kiran Bedi to participate in Wimbledon.
This candidate made me so tensed, pathetic. I was annoyed by the attitude of Kiran Bedi. So this time, select somebody instead of her for Wimbledon.
Thus, Kiran Bedi was denied the opportunity, which made her to work hard to become an IPS officer. And at last, she became an IPS officer.
It shows about women empowerment.
Please wait outside. We'll call you later.
Thank you, ma'am.
Candidate 3 enters.
Good morning. Please take your seat.
Good morning. These are my certificates.
What is your name?
George Washing Machine.
George Washing Machine.
Yes.
What is your father's name?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Is it Mahatma Gandhi?
Yes.
In which year you were born?
1947.
In 1947. But you are too young.
It's my secret.
What is your mother's name?
O2.
O2. What rubbish are you speaking? Do you know who I am?
Monkey.
Stop!
Why are you behaving like a comedian?
Comedian. Do I look like Charlie Chaplin?
Even though you behave like a comedian, we enjoyed it. Even in our day-to-day life, we need few Charlie Chaplins.
Now let's see a small play about Charlie Chaplin.
Sir Charles Spencer Chaplin was an English comic actor, filmmaker, and composer who rose to fame in the era of silent film. He said, I have many problems in my life, but my lips don't know that. They always smile.
Making others laugh is difficult than laughing at others. Just be yourself and move on. Please wait outside. We'll call you later.
Thank you, ma'am.
Candidate 4 enters.
Good morning.
Good morning. Please take your seat. What is your name?
My name is Jessie.
Can you tell us about yourself?
I'm a BSc candidate. I'm passionate in scientific inventions.
Who is your inspiration?
Sir, I'm inspired by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Oh, is it? Can you tell us about Sir APJ Abdul Kalam?
Awul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam was an Indian statesman and aerospace scientist who served as 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was known as a missile man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile and vehicle technology. He was a recipient of several prestigious awards, including Bharat Ratna.
Candidate 4 is narrating about Kalam through a mime.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Kalam did each and every work with involvement. He always encourages the students to dream. What job you are doing is not important. How you are doing is important. Being a responsible parent, we should not impose our wish on our children. Let them grow and flourish in their own dreams.
Please wait outside, we'll call you.
Thank you, ma'am.
After the interview, all the 4 candidates are called in.
Among the 4 candidates, the second and the fourth candidate are selected.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congrats, we are impressed with your performance. Can you share your interview experience and how come you are able to know about all the personalities?
We both had our schoolings together at Akshya Academy, Palani, where we have learnt lots of values in our assembly every day.
Oh, is it Akshaya Academy? Is it in Parani?
Yeah, it is Akshya Academy. It is famous school in and around Palani.
Wow, great. You both can join us from today.
Sure, ma'am.
Let's have the inspired personalities on the stage. Thank you for your great inspirational values.